As we have already seen, the blocks, joineries and walls of Dibac are grouped elements of the project that are made of lines, arcs, circles and polygons. If I click on a block, I will select the object that contains the drawing elements. I can use the explode function to turn the block or joinery back into a regular geometry based on lines and polygons. For this, I have to select the objects that I want to explode, and once I have selected them, I can right-click with the mouse to confirm the action. The exploded objects will not act as a block, joinery or wall anymore. I will be able to select and edit parts of the geometry and make modifications to the deletion area of the blocks.